What's going on, E-Fam? Welcome back to this channel. On today's e-bike adventure, we're here at San Diego. Just finished the Christmas toy donation ride. Now we're checking out, actually we're in Chula Vista. We're in Greg Cox bike park with some nice rollers here. We'll check that out. And there's also like a trail for the Otay Valley Regional Park. I have my bbs02 Giant Trans Luna. Crystal has her bbshd mountain bike Yakuza frame. How do you feel today? You feel okay now? After we had some food? Alright, cue in the B-roll. We are here for 2 nights, and our Airbnb is only like 8 minutes away from here. So one thing I'm worried about is our bottom bracket not clearing some of these rollers, but I think we're good. I like that hardly anyone's here. Oh, I definitely love that wooden berm there. Let's give this a try. Woo! Yo, that's so fun. Woo! So fun. I hope Crystal can do this. Yeah, okay. My bottom bracket is clear. You! Turn. Yes, sir. Oh! This is good muscles. I almost fell off. Yeah, buddy. Whew. Oh, so there's arrows for us. That's good. There's arrows to kind of tell you which way you should be going, because, you know, a lot of bike parks don't have that. This is fun. Forget the trails. Let's just hit these rollers. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy, it's fun. Throttle up that hill. Don't jump it, but throttle it. So, you don't want to be on the seat again, remember? This is all balancing. Gotta teach her. And, put your PAS up already. We're newbies. So have your PAS up and just throttle and balance standing up. You're in a scouting position. Yeah, this is the one right here is what I'm worried about, my bottom bracket. But, I mean, bbshd, I think we're okay. Woo! Yeah. And then we hit this gnarly wood feature. Oh, snaps. Wow. It's crazy. Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So fun. I wish we had something like this in LA. It's so fun. So I was worried that our bottom bracket will hit, but I think we're okay. And then here it's very technical, actually. Your turns have to really be on point. But I'm getting an exercise for sure. Try it. Just try these. You're just modulating your throttle, trust me. You're not jumping over it. Yeah. You're not jumping over it, so give it a try. These aren't jumps. Woo! Nice. Oof. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Wow, what an exercise. Oh my gosh, that was high. Oh, that was so high. Wow, what an exercise. Whew. Oh man. Wow, my legs are feeling it. And I'm just pushing a button. Crazy fun, this bike park. Okay, let's try B's pump track. It looks like it's hard PVC. And it looks kind of mini-ish for, I don't know. Oh, woo. Let's give it a whirl. Woo. Roller coaster. Yo. Yeah. This is actually like tinier and I don't know, it feels sketchier. I feel like it's for small bikes. It feels. Woo. It's fun. It's like a roller coaster. I'm getting tired just doing this. Woo. What? This is so fun. Oh, wow, that's so scary. It's such a tiny track that it's easy to fall off of. Don't even pedal, just throttle. There you go. There you go. Good try. Whew. Yeah, this part is hard right here. Like the tight turns. It forces you to really slow down here. So it's such a small track, like for kids, I feel like. Or like real professionals, I guess. I'm just happy we came across this. It's so fun. What an exercise. Whew. Roller. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I went too high. Oh, I went too high. Let's assess that. Let's assess what happened here. I fell. I went along right here. And then I didn't have enough speed. And then the verticality kind of just dropped my stinking bike. And I think I definitely disconnected my headlights. Looks like my headlights got disconnected. But at least my motor cable is still there. Yeah, I fell. Aw. I fell. I guess I have to fall to learn.
Wait, where did you fall?
My tires were up here. And then I was like, oh, it's too high, I'm too high. And then, then my bike just fell. Damn, dude, I don't think I'm going to be able to do night riding. My headlights tore off.
Right now?
I mean, I could connect it back at the Airbnb place, I think.
Oh, you mean like the wiring is gone?
For the lights, I just have to re-tape it. But let's power our motor back. Man, I think that's how you know you're having fun when you... No, like when you You freaking test your limits. I don't know what. I didn't go with it enough speed. I'm gonna stick with that explanation. I didn't have enough speed, guys. And I went too high. Okay, we're back. Dude, this is an exercise. I'm sweating. Yeah, and I'm just pushing a button and I don't know why. This place is amazing. This guy brought his mountain bike and his board so he can just rip it up. Whew. Nice bunny hop. That's going to be today's first half of this e-bike adventure vlog. Stick around for part 2. We'll explore this Otay Valley Regional Park. Let's see what it has to offer. So we'll check that out. Thank you for tuning in. Help the channel by liking and subscribing. Check out the useful links in the description below. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.